Hello everyone. This is a series of Atma Yoga teacher training program. This is the third session of training Atma Yoga. Welcome again. Today we discuss third session yoga system. Yoga has two stages, preparation and spontaneity. The preparatory stage of yoga, mystic yoga from Satya Yuga, you adhere to a regulated moral lifestyle, trained to sense by austerity, strengthen the nervous system by arduous pranayam. You meditate on good until Guru give you Shakti path. Status: this path is extremely difficult and dangerous, and there are no known gurus accessible in the present era. Bhakti Yoga from Kali Yuga. You adhere to a regulated moral lifestyle. You learn about God. You call out God names. You meditate on God until Guru give you prerna, prem. Status: this is a readily accessible process, and there are multiple known personalities accessible at the present. Preparation: the disciplined lifestyle, training the senses, no animal killing, no intoxication, no sex, no lying, no cheating, no stealing. Lots of selfless service, strengthening, purifying the nervous system by pranayam, controlled diet, imitating certain asana and mudras and kriyas, serving the Guru, menial service with love, studying at the Guru's feet. Spontaneity: pran is the key. When it is released from the yogi's willful control by the Guru, pranothan. Shastra described the consequences of spontaneous yoga, extremely dangerous. The goal of all yoga is filling your kundalini. Kundalini means consciousness, ultimate consciousness, the mood of Radharani. Prana is mystic yoga. Bhagwan in Bhakti Yoga, Pran equal Bhagwan. अष्टांग हठ योग, शिवानंद, आयंगर, विनियोगा and integral Bikram, power yoga, in yoga, Taoist yoga, Kripalu yoga, transcendental meditation, Kriya yoga, Kundalini yoga, Hatha yoga, and so many more. The systems of yoga, Sastric, Hatha योग, राज या अष्टांग योग, कुंडलिनी योगा, मंत्र जाप कीर्तन, सिद्ध, बुद्धि, आत्मा, नाद, लय, शाम के, कोवला, श्री विद्या, शोरा, एनी मोर. Vivekanand ji Maharaj, the main hero of the yoga system. Vivekanand ji, Krishnamacharya, Paramahans Yoganand, Swami Ram Tirth, Krishnamurti, Indira Devi, Richard Hitman, Maharshi Mahesh, Vishnu Devanand ji Maharaj, Yogi Bhajan Maharaj, Swami Ram Tirth, Swami Sachidanand, देशिकाचार्य, श्री श्री रविशंकर, बाबा रामदेव, dialectic for change. Dialectic means comparison between opposite. Change as in spiritual growth. There are two extremes predominate in the Vedas, except behind dialectic in philosophy is that it should be a solution to the contradictions. Dialectic for change, spiritual growth in the Vedas. Thesis, antithesis becomes synthesis. Thesis action, engage Maya karma, activity for personal gain. Antithesis Gyan, negate Maya, neti neti, include mystic yogis. And becomes synthesis. Synthesis is something new that is neither one or the other, but a new idea, selfless spiritual service. This is a synthesis. Thesis, antithesis becomes synthesis. For example, characteristic, emotionally fulfilling, provides understanding and eternal. Loving relationship with the absolute truth. And synthesis is acts of selfless love toward the eternal or its representative. This is a synthesis. Yoga is a technology. When you do devotional service in the material world to the eternal and you are happy, you are making everybody happy because God's soul is in everyone, can be used in any platform. Discussion on the mind. Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 and verses 5. Mind is a friend and enemy. One can use the mind to either help, it is your friend, and degrade oneself, is an enemy. And Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 and verses 6, if one conquers the mind, it will become the best of friend, otherwise it will remain an enemy. Discussion on the mind. Which is most influential to the mind? First, things you think about. Things you think about. And second is things you do. Discussion. First, things you do. You can act your way into a new way of thinking faster than you can think your way into a new way of acting. The power of the mind is the adaptability, meaning its ability to change according to circumstances. Atma Yoga teaches activities and practices that will influence the mind in positive ways. By habits, behavior, environment, and association, you can train the mind to be your friend. Habits, ratis. Antmaram, Atma Ram. Cleanliness, 2 showers a day, AM and PM. दिन में 2 बार नहाना चाहिए, स्नान करना चाहिए, एक सुबह और एक शाम. Austerity, give up certain sense pleasure. हमें कुछ निश्चित सेंस प्लेजर का भी त्याग करना चाहिए. Humility, offer respect to others. Mercy, compassion. Vegetarian. Honesty, admitting when you don't know. Reading, listening to spiritual material. environment of yogi, simple, not overly luxurious, spiritual, music and pictures are spiritual, smells nice, incense, mode of goodness, smells, sattvic food and drink, not eat rasic and tamasic food, eat only sattvic bhojan. Owning spiritual material, books, Vedic literature, Mahabharata, Gita, Vedas, Puran. Association, always talk the sex, sage, holy people, real yogis, read Vedic text, listen to spiritual lectures, technology makes it easy, visit spiritual places. According to all of yogas, association is the most important aspect of spiritual life. Sangh, association. Types of association: external association, circle of people, your surrounding, and internal sangh, environment of the mind, what you think in your mind. Need a pragmatic and systematic way to address internal aspect. Important, we first establish a relationship with the mind. Tool for this is internal dialogue, samvad. If the mind become a positive influence, trend to become good association, it will act to heal you. As it becomes more spiritually inclined, eternal dialogue improves your relationship with the character of your mind, making it more receptive to spiritual guidance. Sangh. If the mind becomes a positive influence, sorry, if the mind becomes a positive influence, trend to become good association, it will act to heal you. As it becomes more spirituality inclined, internal dialogue improves your relationship with and the character of your mind, making it more receptive to spiritual guidance. As a man think the, so is he. This bit of Western conventional wisdom is true, James Allen. It is based on a Vedic fact. यापी सम्रन भव त्याज्यते अन्ते केवलरम ता एवेति कौन्ते सब तद भवित. What your state of being one remembers when he quiets his body, the state he will attain without fail. As a man think thus, so he is. But there is more to the story. As a man act the, so think he, because behavior is prescriptive. Act tamasic, think tamasic. Act rajasic, think rajasic. Act sattvic, think sattvic. Act shuddha sattvic, think shuddha sattvic. Your mind will follow the behavior you model with your body and emotions. Sankhya Yoga. Sankhya Yoga, that which describe in detail by counting or enumerating. Sankhya offers a detailed analysis of the nature and creation of the material world. Material universe, Lord Brahma as a planet, root, subtle, and trunk and branch, gross. Spiritual realm is upper part of the trees, is called spiritual realm, and Lord Brahma planet is root. Spiritual and material existence, the spiritual realm is the real thing. The material world is like the reflection of the real thing in a body of water. Spiritual realm is called para, is sat, eternal, and material universe is called apara and is asat, temporary universe. That this is a virtual reality and this is a real. How do you create a virtual reality? Consider, where do movie come from? How are television image made? What goes into putting on a play? How do you build a totally awesome and believable virtual reality? In Sankhya, the underlying qualities of the universe called gunas. Sattva, it means goodness. Rajas means passion, and tamas means ignorance. Sattva, shubh, pure, white. Rajas means red, passion, active, and tamas, ignorance, black, laziness, inactive, static form. The three gunas work a little like the RGB on TV. Evolution process. The material progression being when Vishnu project his superior consciousness, internal potency, the living entities, us, and time external potency into the Mahat Tattva, material nature. This is similar to impregnating. Vishnu remains distant. The actual contact is Lord Shiva. Om is the intermediate place where the body grows, Mahatatu. Delivery of the baby is similar to the creation of Prakriti. The pyramid of evaluation. The first Prakriti, then Mahat. Prakriti is manifested universe, then Mahat Tatu, aggregate of material realm like the construction material before manifestation includes conditioned souls. Then Pradhan, undifferentiated, unmanifested, avyakt, distinct from Brahma, material modes of nature in perfect balance, and Brahm is pure energy of God. Pradhan with 24 elements: goodness, passion, and ignorance. There are Antahkaran, inner instrument, Ahankara, Buddhi, mind, and Chit. And Panch Mahabhut, earth, water, fire, air, and ether. And Panch sense organs: smiling, tasting, sight, tracking, and hearing. And five karmendriyas: speech, grasping, movement, eliminating, reproductive. And five Panch Tanmatra, Panch Mahabhut, and Panch Karmendriya, and Panch Gyanendriya. Mahatatu, shadow of pure consciousness. It is the germinating place of all creation. Modes of nature go out of balance: goodness, passion, and ignorance. False ego simultaneous with Suddha Sattva. Manifestation, mixture, time. Time is Kal, false ego, death, awareness, Mrityu, and last is fear. Time is the internal spiritual potency, the mixing element throwing the modes out of balance. And ego, soul is overwhelmed when it comes in contact with material world and conditioned consciousness being. And Mrityu, the self becomes aware of its temporary nature and death. And fear, the reality of death, initials the new concept of fear. Evolution process, Mahatattva. First, we see the three mind, Mahat, then intellectuals, Buddhi, then three gunas, goodness, passion, and ignorance. And the Panch Tanmatra to become Panch Mahabhuta, then become Panch Jnanendriya and Panch Karmendriya. Every manifestation come to the three guna. Gradual evaluation of our senses. Sacred, ether, hearing, touch, air, tasting, sound, form, water, earth, fire, etc. Goodness, passion, and ignorance. Avinash, karma, inner instrument. Then Tanmatra, smile, taste, color, touch, sound. Panch Mahabhut, earth, water, fire, air, ether. Jnanendriya, smelling, tasting, sight, tracking, and hearing, touching. And five karmendriyas, reproductive, eliminating, movement, grasp, and speech. Eight steps to understand and heal the mind. Establish the awareness of the mind as an other. Initiate friendly relations. Practical listening to the mind's issues, daily basis. Ask to meet the other members of the mind. Learn about the needs and concerns of all parts of the mind and develop a cooperative relationship. Present the goal of your training program, your ideas for spiritual progress to your mind. Listen to objections and concern and try to gain mutual agreement. Introduce the concept of spiritual coach or guide. Multiple forms are possible: teacher, acharya, deity, mantra, upadhyay. Practice technique and activities to build a relationship with a spiritual guide. Cleaning the nervous system class session. There are 4 sessions for Atma Yoga teacher training program. Yoga and the nervous system. Nervous system topics: what is stress, what is allostatic load, what is the nervous system, sympathetic, parasympathetic, what is the endocrine system, what is the immune system, anatomy of the brain, limbic system, frontal lobe, prefrontal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata. There are the parts of our mind and nervous system, brain. The autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is most important in 2 situations: in emergencies that cause stress and require us to fight or take flight, run away, and in non emergencies to allow us to rest and digest. The autonomic nervous system, muscles in the skin around hair follicles, smooth muscles, around blood vessels, smooth muscles, in the eye, the iris, smooth muscles, in the stomach, intestine and bladder of the heart, cardiac muscles, and glands is the sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, the endocrine gland, entry gland, the sympathetic nervous system. You are taking a nice walk in the woods. Suddenly an angry wolf appears in your path. These are fight or flight response. In this type of situation, your sympathetic nervous system is called into action. It uses energy, your blood pressure increase, your heart beats faster, and digestion slows down. Notice in the picture below, figure first, that is the sympathetic nervous system originates in the spinal cord. The parasympathetic nervous system, you are taking a nice walk in the park this time. However, you decided to relax on a nice bench and read. Now, in the time for the parasympathetic nervous system to work is to save energy, your blood pressure decrease, your heart beats slower, and digestion can start. Notice in the picture that the cell bodies of the parasympathetic nervous system are located in the spinal cord, sacral, cervical region, and in the medulla. The autonomic nervous system, the structure: sympathetic stimulation and parasympathetic stimulation. Iris, eye muscles, pupil dilation, pupil constriction. Salivary gland, salivary saliva production reduce, and parasympathetic situation, saliva production increase. Oral, nasal, mucosa, mucus production reduce, and parasympathetic stimulation, mucus production increase. Heart rate and force increase. Other hand, heart rate and force decrease. Lungs, bronchial muscles relax and bronchial muscles contract. And stomach, peristalsis reduce and gastric juice and metabolism increase. Small intestine, motility reduce, other hand digestion increase. Large intestine, motility reduce, other hand secretion and motility increase. Liver increase, conversion of glucagon to glucose. No reaction in parasympathetic situation. Kidney, decrease urine secretion, other hand increase urine secretion. Adrenal medulla, norepinephrine and epinephrine secreted, and bladder wall relaxed and spinal close. The wall contract and spinal relaxed. Yoga and the nervous system. Straight activates adaptive responses. The body marshals its forces to confront a threat and generally does a good job of protecting us in the short run. So why can stress also be so bad for our bodies and brains? Yoga, stress can prematurely age us and leave us chronically fatigued or depressed. When exposure to stress, whether from a traumatic events to just the daily hustle of rush hour traffic or too much email, disrupt the body's internal balance, homeostasis. Although these adaptive responses are described by the term allostasis, which means maintaining stability or homeostasis through change, the body actively copes with a challenge by expending energy and attempting to put things right. Most of the time it succeeds, but the real problem arises when the systems involved in allostasis don't shut off when not needed or don't become active when they are needed. Anatomy of endocrine system. Endocrine system group of organs and tissue of the body that release hormones. The endocrine glands and their hormones regulates the growth, development and function of various tissue and coordinate many of the process of metabolism. The endocrine system: hypothalamus, pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland and parathyroid gland, heart, thymus, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary and testis. Immune system structure. The immune system protects the body from potentially harmful substance. The inflammatory response is part of innate immunity. It occurs when tissues are injured by bacteria, trauma, toxins, heat of any other cause as virus, coronavirus. Yoga can help the body. Many studies show AIDS, back pain, depression, hypertension, arthritis, cancer, elbow pain, stress, asthma, chronic pain, heart disease, weight loss, all have been helped by yoga. Yoga helps two ways: strengthen the nervous system and expanding our consciousness, shift in perspectives. Important elements of yoga classes: giving permission to progress along their spiritual path, creating a safe space, Lakshman Rekha circle of protection, preparing people for shifts in consciousness, providing knowledge for realization of the true self, not the body, giving a body, mind and spirit experience, and prasadam. Provide stress relief, grounding by feeling the weight center through pranayam, breathe. Get physical health benefits, gain body awareness, need to increase awareness of what is around you, maintaining the consciousness, philosophy and lineage, parampara. Gain more control of the senses and provide emotional release. Encourage humility and selflessness as well as virtue. Provide good association. Provides an opportunity to participate in a divine plan, training the mind and internal dialogue, repress, rationalize, react versus informed witness, Jnana versus Viragya, Jnana and Viragya, creating gratitude, take daily life and experience in a spiritual sense. Then we see anatomy of an Atma Yoga classes. First, prepare the space, clean and stock space, meet and greet guest, help new people set up, class starts, beginning occasion, begin set, meditation, relaxation with story, gonotherapy, call outs of love, and prasadam. First, prepare the space. Make a spiritual, sattvic and peaceful space. If you control space, sensify through ritual. If you rent space, do mentally with opening, invocation and call outs of love. Begins the circle of protection, Sharvam and Kritvam. Then clean and stock space. Ensure props for class are clean and easily accessible. Select appropriate music to play during class session. Makes the space welcoming to the guest. Then third part, don't neglect any guest. Very important to welcome. Check with new people on background, injuries, yoga experience. Providing a warm and welcoming environment is a priority to provide an outstanding experience to your guest. Then help new people set up. Show new people how to set up their space surrounding their mat with props and blankets. Either show them yourself or have a senior student show them. Help how people set up.
डॉक्टर साहब
1 minute sir. Help new people set up. Show new people how to set up their space surrounding their mat with props and blankets. Either show them yourself or have a senior student show them. Helps new people feel comfortable about the experience they are about to have in the class. Welcome everyone and introduce yourself. Explain about the type of yoga they are about to practice. Explain about the opening chant. Describe its purpose and meaning. Provide a way to focus the class's attention and prepare them for the experience. Provides a way to focus the class's attention and prepare them for the experience. 6. Beginning invocation. Use a call and response methods for the invocation chant. The chant offers all honor and respect to the topmost source of pure consciousness. This is the second step in circle of protection. Begin set. Based on the selected, move through the sequence and rest components of the set with attention and focus. Asana, pranayam, mudra, bandh and mantra. You can think of the sets of having an arc, the poses in the beginning, warm and prepare the ghost, the poses progress in challenge and efficacy through the top of the arc, and then the ending poses lead you meditation and relaxation. This is the place where the work and change happens. Shift the quest through the transformation process and yogic experience. Meditation. Lead the quest through the selected meditation of the set if applicable for the set. Promotes the consciousness shift and adds the quest down the path of self-realization. Relaxation with story. Read the relaxation script. Read the spiritual story. Transition the quest from relaxation to a seated position for the ending invocation. Grounds the quest and seeds in the benefits of the practice. Gong therapy. Lead the guest into child pose. Invite the guest to respond at appropriate place in the invocation. Recite the invocation. Maintain the conscious and philosophy and lineage. Parampara. Call outs of love. Recite the call outs of love with the class response while in child pose. Guide the guests to seated position. Encourage humility and selflessness creates gratitude. Prasada. Provide each of the guests with some prasadam, more humility and gratitude. Click list for Atma Yoga classes. Prepare the space. Clean and stock space. Meet and greet guests. Help new people set up. Class starts. Beginning invocation. Begin set. Meditation. Relaxation with story. Gong therapy. Call outs of love and prasadam. Yoga system. Yoga area of influence are the threefold: SIT change and IKC. Yoga system. If you want to make a long term change, you must address the whole person with all three areas. It is not a black or white thing, as they are all interrelated. We are looked for next generation system which can provide a large capacity to create change. You should be able to look at a yoga system and answer what is the extent and nature of a yoga system influence and efficacy. Missing graphic slide. Thank you very much.